5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, having lots of fun and turning red. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." But did they listen? No, they didn't. 4 little monkeys running in the house, chasing each other, quiet as a mouse. One slipped and fell, oh what a louse. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys running in the house." But did they listen? No, they didn't. 3 little monkeys swinging on the tree, laughing and giggling, happy as can be. One lost his grip, oh gee. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys swinging on the tree." But did they listen? No, they didn't. 2 little monkeys racing on the floor, fast and naughty, looking for more. One tripped and tumbled, what a roar. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys racing on the floor." But did they listen? No, they didn't. 1 little monkey dancing all around, spinning and twirling, falling to the ground. Mama called the doctor with a worried sound, and the doctor said with a frown, "No more monkeys dancing all around." But did they listen? Let's find out. Now all 5 monkeys sitting very still, listening to Mama and taking their chill. Mama smiled and said with a thrill, "Let's have fun, but safely.